Samsung has made a major choice that will affect the future of the Galaxy S, Galaxy Z, Galaxy A, and even its smart TV series. Since the global pandemic, the smartphone world has changed dramatically, and with inflation and economic issues, it's become so difficult that several firms have ceased operations entirely. For Samsung, the Galaxy S23 series sold well, maintaining Samsung's position as the global leader in terms of overall sales. However, there was a 2% decline, and as 2023 progresses with increased competition, the figures may fall even more. So, taking everything into account, Samsung has ordered a comprehensive business revision and recently held global meetings to reevaluate the whole company and devise a plan to reduce losses. Anything is possible, but let's hear it from the man in charge of Samsung these days, Mr. T.M. Rowe himself, whose recent interview revealed some of those plans or ideas, one of which could include a new range of innovative Galaxy products that will give birth to an entirely new possibility and user experience not only through hardware innovation, but also through AI and software that only Samsung can provide. Let's start with the hardware. We know that Samsung has been teasing and displaying its multi-fold devices for quite some time. If all goes as planned, 2024 might be the year when these devices hit the market. There are also suspected plans for premium top-tier cameras and even fresher design for the Flip Ultra and Fold Ultra devices. It will be fascinating to watch how Samsung integrates these devices into their smartphone range. Don't be shocked if certain devices are phased out next year, like they did with the Galaxy A74. As previously stated, AI will be a major player in the future of software experiences on smartphones, and Samsung is making significant investments in terms of not only hardware but also money so that we can have top-notch AI tools built into the One UI experience, which will obviously come to the Galaxy S24 series and other Samsung devices. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.